preheat your frying pan. You can use whatever oil you want. I'm using coconut oil because I find that's very healthy and it gives just an extra element of flavour to the dish, just extra complexity. So the first thing I do is I get about a teaspoon of ginger. Then add 2 cloves of garlic that have been crushed. Then get some green, yellow and red chilies with the seeds if you want it to have a nice kick. If you don't want it too spicy, then don't have the seeds, but I think if you want to have spicy food, you know, make it spicy. Now get some pink Himalayan salt. Now get some Tabasco. And I usually put a fair bit in, just a teaspoon or so. Now throw in your prawns. For this much I usually put in about half a kilo, about 500 grams. That's probably about just over a pound. Just mixed around a bit. So you just cook the prawns just for 2 or 3 minutes. Now add 3/4 of a cup of honey, just right over it. So just cook these, marinate these in here. Depends on how well you like them cooked. I would normally just have them in here for about a further 60 seconds, but my wife likes these cooked really well, so she'd normally have these in here for about a further 3 or 4 minutes. Alright, those are done. Now I usually like to just serve them up by themselves, but you can have them with rice, or quinoa is always nice to have it with. A little bit of pepper, and you're good to go. Yeah.